Las Vegas Now with Lindsay Simon, Kendall Tenney, Mercedes Martinez, and JC Fernandez.
If you are of a certain age, you might be considering ways to look a little younger. To talk about some options, we're joined by board-certified plastic surgeon Dr. Dennis Doss from Beverly Hills. Thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Doss.
Hey, thanks for inviting me here.
You and I were talking beforehand. There are so many different ways that options, right, when it comes to plastic surgery or cosmetic surgery, but there are some that are becoming really, really popular lately because they're not too invasive.
Correct. There's probably one of the hottest treatments that I do right now is the mini neck lift. I get a lot of celebrities and Instagram influencers coming in for this because they want to get a really well-defined jawline. Because if the jawline looks well-defined, you look younger and more beautiful. And I do this with the mini neck lift. It's a simple procedure that I do in the office. It takes about 20 minutes.
Is this you doing one right here?
Exactly. What I'm doing is I'm putting in some anesthetic fluid, and then I'm going to remove the fat cells that are right in the chin, and then I tighten up the skin with the laser. So that way it looks beautiful and really well contoured. And again, it's an easy procedure and it makes you look a lot younger.
So for someone that comes in for this, is it a day procedure? They're in and out?
It takes 20 minutes. It's a day procedure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes a huge difference. Even patients in their 20s are doing this as prejuvenation to prevent the aging process.
Right, that's a key term right now, prejuvenation, right?
Exactly.
It's staving off father time.
Yes, we do everything we can to prevent the aging process.
Right. So how quickly after that 20-minute procedure will a patient see results?
You'll see results essentially immediately. Now, I do have you wear some garments to help maintain the position of the skin and reduce the swelling. And within a week, they're back into normal activities. Right. And it makes a huge difference.
That's really cool. Another procedure is the liposuction, but there's an addition to that now. There's taking the existing fat and putting it other places.
Exactly. Why not use it? So I've developed a procedure called the TruCurve Brazilian Butt Lift, which is, again, one of the hottest rages in celebrities and Instagram influencers. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm taking out the fat from their midsection to create the smallest waist possible, and then I use that fat to transfer to the buttock, to contour the buttock and hips, and it's not to make the buttock really big, but
you're
it's
not going
really,
Kim Kardashian on everything.
No, not to make it vulgar. We just make it classy. We make the buttock more perky and rounder, and it looks gorgeous. All the women love it because who doesn't want a smaller waist, a round perky buttock? Yeah. Because it looks beautiful, it looks natural, it looks feminine, and it looks amazing in dresses.
And again, what is the timeline on that? How long is the procedure, and then how long is it before they see the positive effects?
So this one has a little bit of a longer recovery. Most people take about a week off of work, and you have to wear garments, and there's some restrictions for about 6 weeks. Oh, wow. Because you got to protect the area so that it heals nicely.
That's funny to hear you talk about Instagram influencers. You mentioned it a couple of times. We know celebrities, Hollywood and everything else, but that's a whole new market, right?
It is. I mean, I have the benefit of living in Beverly Hills and having a practice there. So I get a lot of celebrities, but yes, I get clients from Vegas as well, entertainments and so forth. But the newest celebrity is the Instagram influencer. They've got so many followers, even more than some of our traditional celebrities. Yeah. And people look up to these influencers, and they're looking for the hottest trends, and these people need to look good, and I'm here to help.
Well, you have some before and after pictures, as we don't have a lot of time, but I want to make sure we see these, of patients who have gone through the procedures we're talking about.
Yeah, this is the TruCurve Brazilian Butt Lift. You can see how her waist really came in on the photo on the right, and the buttock just looks rounder and more perky.
Yeah, that's significant difference there.
And this is from the back view. Again, this oblique angle shows you that contour, and that looks so amazing in dresses.
That is. All right, well, thank you so much, Dr. Dennis Doss, for being with us today. Appreciate you making the trip here to Las Vegas. And you can visit Dr. Dennis Doss in Beverly Hills. His website is Doss, that's DASSMD.com, or call that phone number right there, 855-496-4646.